views are already starting to get pretty beautiful. Past the last gas stop, so just hope we've got enough left. It's about I don't know, around 8ish now. We can start to tell it's really going to get into Yosemite, so really excited to get in. First time in Yosemite.
So we're entering the Yosemite Valley right now, and that over there is El Capitan.
We've only really just entered, but there's already some of the main views, El Capitan, and we might head off to Bridalveil Falls, which is just 4 miles away. Just waiting for Gary to put on his hiking boots. We'll start heading down here. We get to stay in right in Yosemite Valley. It's a really good area to see stuff from, so close proximity, and should be able to get some great views, and just by waking up a bit earlier tomorrow. Hey, how did you enjoy the drive in?
Good.
Good views.
Dreams. Banged my head once. Yeah. Overall good drive. So.
It turned out it's a really short hike to the actual Bridalveil Falls vantage point. So we're already heading back. Spent 10-15 minutes there. It was a cool view. Just like always a few people taking photos there and stuff. Yeah, we're gonna head back. Maybe go to the visitor centre now and sort of plan out more what to do. So we're at El Capitan, and we want to go to the visitor centre, so it's just up there. And that is pretty much the map of Yosemite Valley. Check Glacier Point out, Sentinel Dome. And tonight we are staying at Housekeeping Camp. We're on our first hike for Yosemite today. It's 11:30. So Gary, what are we up to first?
Looks like we're heading to some meadow trail. I think it's called Sentinel and Cook Meadows. Looked at some pictures. Looks really beautiful.
How long does it take?
Not very long. It's a short hike. It's a short trail. Maybe half an hour. Yeah, it should be very good. Very beautiful. Fashionable combination right here. Chinos, black socks.
What brands of shoes?
This is I don't know what brand of shoes. No brand.
What about the chinos?
Chinos are from Industry. It's Industry. Shout out to Industry.
T-shirt?
Also from Industry.
Industry, if you'd like to send some free clothing to the channel, feel free to do that. Backpack by
Good old Osprey, best backpack in the world.
Yeah, you got the Osprey logo, the famous
inspired
Osprey
by
logo.
Mark Wins. Mark, if you're watching this channel, this is from you.
There's an elk just off the trail here. It's the closest we've gotten so far.
into the meadows, which would be just south of us. So this is, I think this is called the Cook Meadow or Sentinel Meadow, and behind me is the Half Dome Rock. Still at the meadows, the view here is crazy. So because it's fall, the waterfall isn't that big. Most of the water is just trickling down. Usually the most waterfalls in the summer or spring.
This area used to be where the old Yosemite village used to be, which was built in 1879 and just moved to the current location in 1901. The Yosemite village that we all know. And yes, that was the meadows. Hello from Housekeeping Camp. So I'll show you around a little bit. I've got half this sort of big tent. There's people over the other side. There's the fire over there, which you need to buy firewood for, so we'll do that soon so we can cook some stuff and heat some food up, which is all in here. This is our food storage box. To keep bears away. They really stress to you that you got to store all food, toothpaste, everything like that away to keep bears out. Bears can even just like smash through your car and grab anything, so to keep bears away they're like really strict on keeping food in your food storage box thing. Don't know how that light even turns on. There's Gary making his bed. We had to purchase bed packs, which is a bunch of blankets and pillows and stuff.
2 nights in here. Basically it's this big open area in the forest with a lot of these camps, and this is one of them. This is our one, 376.
Got a s'mores kit, got some cereal and stuff, some porridge to heat up. Here's all the food we got. We've got some noodles, some forks, a bottle of Doritos fruit punch, Powerade. Gary bought some baklava. There's some bagels behind it, a box of Trix, some water reserves, some melted chocolate and Pop-Tarts and stuff. And there's the s'mores.
Tunnel view. This is about 6 o'clock. There's a lot of people around here. This is the view. Smells really good out here. Everyone's just out eating and burning fires. And everyone seems to have a very good setup. Except for ours. Ours is just like this. We couldn't even figure out how to turn on the light.
How many logs do you think we need? Good idea.
After about an hour of walking around figuring out what to do, finally we've got a fire going. This is a miracle. Everyone around has got raging fires and like massive barbecues, and we have just a box of useless wood. Successfully boiled some water with our little frying pan skillet. Wasn't a good fire, but wasn't a big fire, but it was sufficient. I think the water's boiled.
We have successfully got sausages cooked. Our first successful s'mores. Gary, want a taste?
Ah, I do.
To victory. How is it? It's been a pretty hectic hour or so. Managed to maintain the fire at a level that I could actually cook stuff. Other than that, I'm going to finish these noodles. Hopefully wake up early tomorrow for sunrise, and I'll see you then.